Today we are discuss about the topic basic algebra. We combine variables and constant using the mathematical operations addition and subtraction to construct algebraic expression. For example, variable means x, y, z, any one letters A, B, C, letters, all the one alphabetic letters means variables. Constant means numerical numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numerical number means constant. This one is constant. Variable means alphabet letters A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, all the one alphabet letters means variables. And constant means numerical numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any numbers means constants. Using the mathematical operations addition and subtraction to construct algebraic expression. Addition means plus, subtraction means minus. Okay. To construct algebraic expression, then for example, the expression 6x plus 1 is obtained by adding two parts 6x and 1. Here 6x and 1 are known as terms. Expression means 6x plus 1. This one is expression. The expressions equal to 0 coming mean this one is equation. This one is equations. Okay. The terms 6x is a variable and then term 1 is called a constant. Are you understand? Then this one is variable coming means this one is x is variable, then variable term. The next one, another one term, one numerical number only coming. This one is constant term. Are you understand, students? Since it is not multiplied by a variable, also we say that 6, x are the factors of the term 6x. 6x terms, this one is one term. This one is one term. This one another term. Are you understand, students? This term factors means 6, x. This one is factor. Are you understand? The next one, coefficient of a term. A term of a algebraic expression is a product of factors. Here, each factor or product of factors is called the coefficient of the remaining product of factors. For example, in the term 5xy, 5 is the coefficient of remaining factors product of xy. Okay, this what variable? Xy variable. This factor what number? 5. Okay, 5 is the coefficient of remaining factor product xy. Similarly, x is the coefficient of yy. X coefficient mean remaining number factor. 5x is the coefficient of y. Okay, the constant 5 is called the numerical coefficient and others are called simply coefficient. Okay, number called means numerical coefficient and other called means coefficient only. Are you understand? The constant 5 is called the numerical coefficient. Again one time, coefficient means, for example, 6xy. This one term. Okay. Then coefficient x value means remaining answer 6y. Coefficient of x means remaining number 6y coming, then this 6y. Suppose coefficient of x means remaining number y. Okay. Then coefficient of the numerical coefficient of 6 means then answer is equal to remaining variables xy. Are you understand? This one, a variable coming means coefficient only tell. Number coming means numerical coefficient. Are you understand? Then first one, coefficient of xy, the answer is equal to remaining 6 coming, then 6 answer. Are you understand? Which coefficient you find out remaining number is answer. Are you understand, students? The next one, an algebraic expression can have one term, two terms or more than two terms. An expression with one term is called a monomial. Two terms is called a binomial and three terms is called a trinomial. An expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. For example, the expression 2x is a monomial. 2x plus 3y is a binomial and 2x plus 3y plus 4z is a trinomial. All the expression given below are polynomials. Are you understand? Then only one term coming means any one 2x or 3y 4y any one term coming means monomial. Two term, this one term, this one term. Okay, totally two term coming means binomial. Okay, three terms coming means 5x one term minus 2y another one term, third term plus 4z. Three term coming means trinomial. Three term more than one term, four term, five term coming means polynomial. Are you understand, students? Basic algebra examples. Okay. This one is expression. This one is expression. Equal to coming means equation. Y plus 15 equal to 30. Find the y value. Y equal to this number 15 move to this side. Plus 15 move to this side means minus 15. Two symbol different means subtract 30 minus 15. The answer is equal to 15. Big number symbol plus. Y value equal to 15. Are you understand? The next one, question number 2. Find x when 9x is equal to 63. Okay, find the x value. 9 is multiple. This side coming means divide. Okay, 63 divided by 9. Cancel the 9 table. 1 9s are 9. 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. The answer is equal to x is equal to 7. Are you understand? The next one, solve 3x minus 6 equal to 9. Okay, find the x value. The first one, 3x minus 6 is equal to 9. Minus 6 move to this side. Plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 9 plus 6, 15. 3x is equal to 15. Find the x value. 3 is multiple. This side coming means divide. X is equal to 15 divided by 3. Cancel the 3 table. 1 3s are 3. 5 3s are 15. Therefore, the x value is equal to 5. Are you understand, students? The next one, the general formulas used in algebraic to solve algebraic equation and find the values of unknown variables are given here. This one is identity. Very, very important identities. All the standard. Okay. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Are you understand? A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus term one time coming minus term one time coming. Are you understand? The next one, a plus b the whole squared. A plus b the whole squared. Then first one, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Are you understand? A squared 2ab, right? Next b squared. Then same identity, symbol only different. A squared minus b the whole squared. A squared. The next one, this two identities same. This identity plus only coming. This identity minus only coming. A minus b the whole square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This side only minus coming. Then a squared plus b squared is equal to a minus b the whole squared plus 2ab. A plus b the whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc to ac. Are you understand? To find the value of 21 squared. 21 squared, how to write 21 into 21, right? Then 2 also multiply. this number using identity. Okay, which identity? A plus b the whole squared. A plus b the whole squared. This identity use a square. First one, first number square, a square. Then next one 2 into, then this one 2 into ab plus, then using plus identity, then 2 plus 2ab. Then next one second number squared, b squared. Are you understand this identity using? Okay, 21 how to write? 20 plus 1 the whole square, right? 20 plus 1, 21 plus 1 the whole square. How many time? 2 time, right? A value equal to, compare this identity, a value equal to 20, b value equal to 1. The two identity comparing, a place 20 coming, then a value 20, b place 1 coming, then b equal to 1. Are you understand? Substitute this identity, a squared, a value 20, the 20 squared, plus 2 into a value 20, b value 1. Okay, plus b value 1 square. 20 how many time, write? 2 time. Okay, 20 into 20. Then multiply. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. Then 2 into 0, 0. 2 2s are 4. The answer is equal to 400. 20 into 20, 400. Then 2 into 20, 40. 40 into 1, 40. The 1 square means 1. So all the one add means 441. 441. Are you understand, students? The next 47 whole square is equal to, how to write? 50 minus 3. 50 minus 3 means 47. Okay. Substituting a equal to 50, b equal to 3 in the identity. Which identity? A minus b the whole square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We get. Then 50 minus 3 the whole square is equal to, then a squared means a value 50 squared minus 2 into a value 50, b value 3 plus b value 3 the whole squared. Okay, 50 how many time multiplied? 2 time. Okay, 50 into 50. Okay, 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 5 5s are 25. Then answer is equal to 2500. Are you understand? All the one add means 2500. Okay, next 2 into 50, 100. 100 into 3, 300. 3 3s are 9. 3 how many time multiple? 2 time. 3 3s are 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 9, right? Two symbols same, one symbol different. First same symbol means add. Okay, 2500 and plus 9. 2509 minus 300. Two symbol different means subtract. Okay, then 2509 minus 300. Okay, then 9 0 less means 9. Okay, 0 0 0. 5 less 3 means 2. Okay, 2. 2209. Are you understand, students? Answer. The next using identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. $78 how to write? 80 minus 2. 80 minus 2 means 78. 80 plus 2 means 82. This one is a minus b formula. This one is a plus b formula. Okay. This one how to write? A squared minus b squared. A value 50. 80. 80 squared minus b value 2 square. Okay, 80 square means 8 8s are 64. 2 zeros, 1 0 square means 2 0. 2 2s are 4. Then 6400 and minus 4 means the answer is equal to 6396. Are you understand, students? Today recap basic algebra, types of polynomial and identities. Thank you, dears.